Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have a very important guest with us. She is the General Manager of Global Dominion Finance, Miss Ven Oliveros. Hi, Ven.
Hi. Hi, Alex, and good afternoon, everyone who's watching this video. So, I'd like to introduce myself that I am Ven Oliveros, the General Manager for Real Estate Financing Division.
Okay, so how
Okay.
did Global Dominion Finance come about? What is the background of the company? For those who are
Oh,
not familiar with it.
yes, correct. I agree. Well, anyway, Global Dominion as a spin-off was a spin-off from Asialink Finance Corporation. It was established to handle the renewal of doctor's loan. And to be honest with you, Alex, Global Dominion started with 10 employees only, and right now we're almost 2,000 and counting.
Wow, ang dami na palang
Yes,
employees. So when was it established?
correct. It was established way back 2003, and we're all over nationwide here in the Philippines.
And you mentioned that you have an office in Cagayan de Oro as well.
Yes, of course, we got there.
Which other cities do you have offices in? Like sa ano lang, so what you can from what you can remember.
Okay, I'm not good at identifying the cities, but we also have in Davao, in Cebu City, of course, here in Manila, our main office located here at Ortigas, Pasig City, and a lot of locations here in the Philippines.
So what products do you provide or do you offer to the public?
Okay, that is a good question. Well, Global Dominion known as expert in car and truck refinancing, also known as Sangla or CR.
Oh yeah,
And
I've
because
been seeing posters
yes,
of
that's
that and I'm so
correct.
curious. Like how do you do that?
Yes.
Like how do you sanla your OR and CR without the unit?
Yeah. We're just getting the documents, no, that at least the borrower the ORCR is under the name of our borrower, of course. And then you will be the principal borrower as long as nakapangalan sa'yo yung ORCR mo, then you can apply for car and truck refinancing, also known as ang La ORCR. And of course, we're going to assess also the cash flow of our clients.
So what happens if the client is not able to pay? Like will you be foreclosing on the unit? Kukunin niyo yung unit sa
Yes,
kanila.
exactly. Yes, of course. But since Global Domain is also a considerate company, we're going to give them at least few months to redeem the unit. But then if not, we will get the unit itself.
So will they be signing like documents na in case they cannot
Yes.
pay, then the ownership will be transferred to your company.
Yes. It will be the assets of the company.
What about home loan or bank financing for purchase of property? Do you also offer that to clients?
Yes, of course. Right now, since I have mentioned the products of Global Dominion are car and truck refinancing. We also have secondhand truck financing, brand new car, and of course, our very own real estate mortgage, also known as Sangla Titulo naman, the counterpart of Sangla ORCR. And of course, real estate financing, also known as property acquisitions, which I believe you're good at it, Alex.
Yes, kasi I've been a broker for over 10 years and usually
Wow.
when buyers want to purchase a property, there are different kinds of financing that they can choose from. So they can do cash,
Yes.
they can do
Mm-hmm.
deferred cash, which is basically the total
Mm-hmm.
contract price divided over a period of time, let's say 12 months or
Correct.
more, depending on the developer.
Mm-hmm.
Or
Mm-hmm.
the most common is bank financing. So with bank
Correct.
financing, the buyer typically pays a down payment, which is 20 to 30% of the total purchase price,
Mhm,
and then the balance will
mhm.
be financed by the bank. So in the
Correct.
event that the bank does not approve of the home loan, would they be able to get approval from Global Dominion Finance instead?
Yes, of
Like
course.
are
With
you
our
more
proper
lenient?
assessment.
Kasi yung banks they're very strict eh. They're very
Yes.
strict with their approval.
Correct.
Grabe sila mag-credit investigation. So,
Mm-hmm.
mas lenient ba si Global Dominion Finance when it comes to approving home loans compared to banks? Like, what is the difference?
What I believe that the difference would be, since from the word itself that a bank is a bank, they do have the deposit, but as a financing company, we are under SEC, of course.
Mm.
Unlike bank, I mean, bank was under BSP, under regulated by BSP, and the companies monitoring global dominion or financing companies here in the Philippines is under SEC, are under SEC.
When it comes to approval, like, what is your process for home loan approval?
As you have mentioned, we're almost the same at the banks. We do approve at least up to 85% of the appraised value of the property itself. And the rest, it would be the down payment or the outright of our clients.
So for the requirements, is it the same? Like the clients will still be submitting their IDs, proof of income, similar with the
Yes,
banks?
correct. I believe that would be similar with the bank since we will be needing the basic documents of our client, of course. I believe that is available with our clients, and of course the proof of income, so we need to assess the cash flow also of our clients.
And what are your interest rates and what's your maximum loan term?
All right. So since that right now we do have as low as 0.80%, depending on the terms of the client that they will avail. So if you're going to have a shorter term to avail the loan, then you're going to have a lower interest rate per month. And then if you're going to have a longer term, then you're going to have the highest term, of course. I mean, the highest interest rate, of course, but it will be around at least 0.80% to at least 0.90%.
0.8 to zero point 0.9 per month.
Yes, correct.
So that is 9.6% per year.
Yes, exactly.
What's your maximum loan term?
Our maximum loan term, which we do believe that we offer it to the SMEs, the small medium enterprises, up to 15 years. So, but for the regular employees and other applicants, we do give at least 10 years longer term.
Okay, so it's still very competitive kasi banks,
Yes.
yung longest term ng banks is usually 20 to 30 years. Pag-ibig
Yes,
is
correct.
30 years. So for you, we can offer between 10 to 15 years
Yes, correct.
at a higher interest rate compared to
And I
banks.
believe nowadays, Filipinos wanted to avail the loan as a shorter term, I guess, because at least hindi ganun kahaba yung magiging loans mo. So with that, it's an average for applicant that can avail the shorter term instead of longer term.
Usually naman, who's your target market and who are the usual clients that apply for a home loan?
All right. Well, anyway, our target markets are the Filipinos who need it the most, since one of the goal of Global Dominion to help Filipinos achieve their goals and their dreams. But everyone can apply also.
So usually,
That
are
I
they
think
locally employed? Are they OFWs, business owners? Or is it a mix of all these?
actually it's a mix. We do have the locally employed here in the Philippines, the SMEs, the small and medium enterprises, of course, and we also have the OFWs. We also accept that as an applicant for different products, of course. We're open to everybody who need it the most.
So for clients who are interested in getting a home loan, like what is a summary of the usual requirements that you ask for?
All right. So aside from if in case that you guys watching who's watching this, if you really wanted to invest, which is very nowadays, property is really in the air, I mean, investing in properties is quite good right now. Then if you really wanted to apply for a home loan, or also known as real estate financing, at least you have your basic requirements with you, at least your two valid IDs, of course, and your proof of income, whatever your income is. If you're employed, then you're going to have your COE, of course. If you're a business owner, the business permits as well, and the bank statement, and of course, your collateral itself, the documents of your collateral. So, since we're talking about real estate, at least you have with you or the copy of title or the TCT, what we call TCT or CCT.
If the property is a pre-selling property, would you accept financing for those?
Good question, Alex. As of now, we're only accommodating the RFO or ready for occupancy units. It can be lot, house and lot, or condominium.
So it needs
As
to be
long as,
titled under the borrower's
yes,
name.
correct. Title ready. For acquisition, it's okay that it can be under the developer's name or whoever who will sell the property because we're going to transfer it to the buyer, of course. But if you're going to apply for sangla titulo or real estate mortgage, at least the title is under the name of our principal borrower.
So once the requirements are submitted, what is the next step and how long does it usually take for home loan approval to be released?
Great question. As long as the documents are completed, it will take at least 10 working days or up to 2 weeks. Then, of course, we're going to have our assessment of the account or the application, and we're going to check also and appraise the property itself. And we will have a credit investigation from to our client also.
Okay. So at least very similar lang din for sa
Yes, yes.
timeline sa home loan financing with banks.
Mhm.
Kasi usually banks
Yes,
takes 15 banking days or some even take
correct.
a month or more. So there are banks na mabilis,
Mhm.
there are banks na medyo mas matagal sila 1 to 2 months. So your timeline is very competitive.
Yeah, I believe in that. And as long as the borrower is very competitive nowadays, kasi if you're not cooperative, not competitive, sorry. So if you're cooperative enough naman, I think we will process ASAP your application. Then if we were going to ask you for some additional requirements and then you're not able to submit it, I don't think it will proceed ASAP. So if you wanted to have a fast approval, then you'll be we will be needing you to submit your requirements
So
fast
dapat
also.
lang kompleto yung requirements para mabilis din yung approval.
Correct.
And the
Yes. And please,
application process, can
mhm.
everything be done online?
Yeah, of course. You can submit it online through documentation, but the moment that we've got the approval, we're going to sign it actual.
Okay,
So
so
we need an original
in
documents for that.
in case the borrower is not here in the Philippines, can they assign someone to be their attorney in fact? So may SPA
Yeah,
format kayo.
correct. Yes, correct. They can submit SPA, but if the client or the OFW is already at the other country, of course, kailangan lang mag-provide ng consolidarized or red ribbon na SPA.
Okay, so it's very similar
Yes,
sa
correct.
home loan.
Sa banks.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any other information that you want to add about the company or your other products aside from providing for a home loan and aside from yung Sanla for the vehicles, are there other products
Yes.
that you want to share? Meron ba kayong mga time deposits? Ano pang ibang
So of
products
course,
ni Global Dominion dyan?
yeah. As I have mentioned earlier, we also have a doctor's note. And of course, aside
What is a
from
doctor's loan?
is doctor's loans is that the doctors will apply. The doctor can be employed or doctors have own clinic. Yeah. So it means if you're employed, again, the documents or requirements are similar. But if you have also the clinic naman, you're just going to submit your business permits and then we will assess how much can you avail to Global Dominion. It means doctor's loan is a non-collateral loan.
So it's like a personal loan,
Yeah,
but
correct.
specific for doctors.
Yes, correct.
Is there like a maximum amount lang that you can loan?
Well, to be honest with you, if we can check naman if the doctor is, depending on the category of the doctor, I don't know. I mean, if the doctor is general practitioner, I believe the doctors can avail up to 500,000. And then if the doctor is optometrician, I guess, and they can avail at least up to 250,000. And then for the dentist, doctor or the dentist man, they can avail at least 100,000. So I think that's the range of
So
different
it's
category
between
of.
100 to 500,000
Yes, correct.
non-collateralized loan. What's the
Yes.
interest rates naman for this type of loan?
Yeah, well, if they need more information about that, they can check our website. It's gdfi.com.ph. And Dr. Sloan is being handled by different division, but I guess they can see it online.
Okay. So aside from doctor's loan, are there any other loans that your customers can apply for?
Well, aside from doctor's loan, they can avail a car and truck refinancing, also known as Sangla or CR. And then they can avail naman second-hand car and truck financing. We also have brand new car. So, brand new car, real estate mortgage, also known as Sangla Titulo, and also our very own real estate financing. So, they can avail a lot of kind ng loans kay Global Dominion because we believe that Global Dominion is ka-partner mo sa pag-angat.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Ven. And thank you for providing
Thank
all
you
these
so much.
information about the different types of loans. And at least our clients and those who are interested in buying a house or a car, they know that there's also Global Dominion Finance that they can choose aside from banks. So may other options sila.
Yes, I believe in that because our goal is to help our Filipinos to achieve their goals and their dreams through financing.
Okay. Thank you, Van. Thank you for your time. And I hope that you learned something from this interview. And I will see you in the next video.